Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar CAD, and we are on the daily time frame. So the daily actually turned back up, and it did not make a new low. It made a higher low, higher low. So we'll have to see what this turns into. This move up could be a pullback to this last move down. It could go up to a fib level and then continue the downtrend, but it also could go all the way up and make a new high, and this could all be just one big gold correction. So we'll have to keep an eye on it for sure. Now that it has broken to the upside, I definitely would be recommending longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a move. I would have to wait for a pullback. So really the key now is to observe whether it does some sort of a corrective pattern up to a Fibonacci level and then goes back down, or whether it continues to make, higher highs, higher lows and an impulsive pattern and does something like that. So you should be looking for longs, and you can either see this pattern or you potentially could see this pattern. So we just got to observe what the market does next, and that's going to tell us whether it's a correction to this last move down or whether it's just going to go all the way up and take out the highs on the daily. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. Take a look at it, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.